A machine is a device that does a physical task. Simple machines change the strength or direction of a force, such as a push or pull. The 6 simple machines are inclined plane, screw, wedge, lever, pulley, wheel, and axle. Inclined planes. An inclined plane is a flat surface that is higher on one end. Inclined planes make the work of moving things easier. An inclined plane can be used to alter the effort and distance involved in doing work such as lifting loads, as you can see in the picture. Inclined plane. The Egyptians used simple machines to build the pyramids. One method was to build a very long incline out of dirt that rose upward to the top of the pyramid very gently. The block of stone were placed on large logs, another type of simple machine, the wheel and axle, and pushed slowly up the long, gentle inclined plane to the top of the pyramid. Then the screw. A screw is a thin rod with edges or threads that curve around it. Turning a screw produces a force that can push the screw into wood or tighten it against a nut. Similar threads are used on jars and other containers so that lids close tightly. The picture is given. Wedges. A wedge is a piece of material that narrows to a thin edge. Pushing the wedge in one direction creates a force in a sideways direction. The head of an axe is a wedge. Swinging the axe into a log can split the log apart. Lever. A lever is a bar or board that rests on a support called a fulcrum. A lever can transfer and increase the force applied to one end of it, as if you want to lift a heavy stone, you can use the lever. First-class lever. Common example of first-class levers includes crowbars, scissors, pliers, tin snips, and seesaws. Second-class lever. Example of second-class lever includes nutcrackers, wheel barrows, doors, and bottle openers. Third-class lever. Examples of third-class levers include tweezers, arm hammers, and shovels. Pulleys. Pulleys are wheels and axles with a groove around the outside. A pulley needs a rope, chain, or bolt around the groove to make it to do work. Fixed and movable pulley. The difference between the fixed and movable pulley will be explained. A fixed pulley changes the direction of a force, however, it does not create a mechanical advantage, whereas the movable pulley, nearly the mechanical advantage of a movable pulley is equal to the number of ropes that support the movable pulley. Combined pulley. The effort needed to lift the load is less than half the weight of the load. The main disadvantage is it travels a very long distance. Wheel and axle. The axle is stuck rigidly to a large wheel. Fan blades are attached to the wheel. When the axle turns, the fan blades spin. Rube Goldberg machines. Rube Goldberg machines are example of complex machines. We have discussed the simple machines in the previous section. All complex machines are made up of combinations of simple machines. Rube Goldberg machines are usually a complicated combination of simple machines. By studying the components of Rube Goldberg machines, we learn more about simple machines. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.